Hi, my name is Angie, and I've put together a group of short videos for my students' parents and my family members that want to learn some sign. With that said, let's get learning. Hi, I'm going to explain the dominoes game. The dominoes sign language game has 110 cards. Half the deck is your basic dominoes game where it has the dots on one side, but then it's got the hand shape for 1 through 9 on the other side. What you need to do is you need to match. You can match either hand shape to hand shape, or you can match dots to hand shape. And it's played just like you would play dominoes. There's 55 in each set. The second set has the second set of dominoes is colors and shapes. It follows the same 55 card pattern as the dots and the hand shapes. The color is on one side, so you can see red on one side, and you can see the shape, and each shape has its own specific color. Then you'd match either the sign word to the sign word, so you have red to red, or you can match the sign for green to the shape that's green. Don't get tripped up and get tricked. That's not pink, that's green. So you have to read the sign and not look at the shirt color. The domino sets each follow the 9-dot set pattern for regular dominoes. And if you'd like to learn the numbers 1 through 9 and the colors that are involved in each game, you can check out any of my videos that show the colors or the numbers. If you like this video, please hit the like button down here, or you can send me a comment. Thank you.